Okay everybody, you are following along with this video and we are about at minute 7:30 if you want to look at that one. And what we are going to start out, we're going to end up with something like this. I'm going to do some Control Z's to get out of there. And I'm going to go back to just having two circles. And I'm going to delete that one. And that one. Okay, so I'll even delete that one. So I'm going to make one circle, pretty small. I'm going to copy and paste it. I am going to use my buddy, the scale tool, which you already know about. I want to choose 600 because I want to make sure there's space for my circles. And I am going to put that circle around this other circle. And then I'm going to use my alignment to make sure that things are distributed vertically and horizontally in the middle. So I'm going to use this vertical align center and horizontal align center to make sure that they are centered. Then I'm going to go to Object. I'm going to go to Blend. I'm going to go to Blend Options, and I'm going to use the drop-down menu and go to Specified Steps and pick the number 3 because I'm looking for 3 more of these. I'm going to say OK. Then I'm going to go to Object. Then I'm going to go to Blend, and then I'm going to go to Make. And now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 perfectly aligned objects, and they are circles. For example, I could grab one of these brushes and I would come up with this interesting funky design. Okay, next I'm going to go to Object, Expand, just like in the other video. This is okay, and I'm going to say OK. Now I'm going to go to Object, Ungroup, and now I have the ability to click on each one of these. So let's start with this one. Okay, so now I've got my shape and it's looking pretty good. The first thing I want to do is a copy and paste of it, so I can have one off to the side in case anything wild and wacky happens. Then I'm going to go over to this one, and I'm going to go to Object, Expand Appearance. Mine's grayed out because I did it already. And now that I've done that, I will be able to go through here using the white arrow and delete parts of it if I want to. And you can experiment with that and kind of try out how you think it looks, because you are learning these so that you can have a variety of pies and options and different things that you might be interested in.